Hi, I'm Marco Lipovac from Tricentis, and today I'll show you how to use the Module Merge Assistant in Tosca Commander. Is your workspace cluttered with duplicate or redundant X modules? Have you ever wished for a quick and easy way to restore order in your workspace? Well, you're in luck, because Tosca Commander provides the Module Merge Assistant for just this purpose. In this tutorial, I'll show you two examples of how to use the Module Merge Assistant. First, I'll show a simple scenario, and then I'll show a more complex one. Let's start with the simple one first. Here we have one module called Enter Vehicle Data, which seems to be duplicated several times in our workspace. If we select two duplicate modules while holding the Control key, we'll see that the Merge Modules button in the ribbon will be enabled. Clicking on this button will bring up the Module Merge Assistant. In this window, we can see the two modules side by side with the titles Target Module and Source Module and an arrow between them showing the direction of the merge. The target module on the left is the one that will replace the duplicate source module on the right. By default, the first module we selected will be the target module, but we can reverse this order by clicking on the Switch Modules button. Also shown is the number of test cases that are using each module. When the merge is complete, the source module will be deleted, and the test cases that used it will be relinked to use the target module. Underneath, we can see the module attributes that will be present in the merged target module. In this case, the module attributes are identical for both, so we see them collapsed on top of each other. We can observe how they were linked by clicking on the Show button. Module attributes can be unlinked by clicking on the link icon. However, in this case, they were correctly linked, and we can relink them via the Link Candidates drop-down list. We can see how the merged target module will look like by clicking on the Hide ribbon button. The blue check marks on the left indicate that every module attribute has been linked and that the merge can be performed. The two modules can then be merged by clicking on the Merge button, which takes us to a window showing the resulting merge information. Here we see that the three test cases using the source module have now been relinked to the target module, and that the source module has been deleted. We have now successfully removed one duplicate module. This process can be done more quickly by actually searching for all the duplicates of a module by selecting a module and clicking on the Find Duplicate Modules button in the ribbon above. This will show us a window with all the exact duplicates of a selected module, along with the path information and the number of test cases that are using it. We can perform the merge directly from this window by clicking the merge icon next to a specific duplicate module. So this was an example of merging two identical modules. But what if we want to merge two modules that are not completely identical, which is often the case? Well, the Module Merge Assistant allows us to do that as well. To merge two similar but not identical modules, we have to select the two modules while holding the Control key and click on the Merge Modules button like we did before. In the Module Merge Assistant window, we'll see that not all module attributes have been linked. Namely, two module attributes will be added to the target module instead of being linked, which is indicated by the plus sign on the left and the status message on the bottom. The resulting target module can be seen by clicking on the Hide button. The modules can be merged as is, but if we look more closely, we can see that two module attributes can in fact be linked. Let's say that we know that the KW and Performance KW module attributes represent the same field in the system under test. Knowing this, we can then link these two module attributes via the Link Candidates drop-down list. However, when we do so, we're notified that there is a conflict. Expanding the module attribute will show that the ID property is causing the conflict because it is defined differently on the two module attributes. At this point, we have three options. Either choose the target value, choose the source value, or delete the property altogether so that the resulting module won't have an ID property at all. Let's assume that we know that the value of the ID property in the system under test should be Engine Performance 1, and we select that value. Doing so will resolve the conflict and allow the merge to be performed. We have now successfully merged two similar modules. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments in the comment section below and be sure to subscribe to the Tricentis YouTube channel if you haven't done so already.